What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Fiance, and I'm back again with another video. I was away for a little bit because I had full intentions on not making another food video, but this is what I have time for right now. I'm trying to incorporate other things into my channel, but it's kind of difficult at the moment to just have like a sit down video where I'm just talking about something. But I hope you guys enjoy the content I have right now for the time being, and once I figure out my dynamic, then I will probably come back with something else besides food videos. But everybody like food, so I know y'all not tripping like that. But anyways, guys, as you can see by the title, today we are going to be making vegan pumpkin lasagna rolls. Saw this on TikTok, and like the girl said on the video, pumpkin with like, you know, lasagna and stuff does sound kind of sus, but it looked really good on the picture, and I have all the ingredients at my house, so that's what we're going to be making today. All right, guys, so check it out.
Okay, guys, so you're going to start off with some tofu. It actually doesn't matter exactly what kind you use. I got mine from Whole Foods. Some fresh rosemary, some nutritional yeast, some organic pumpkin puree. I also got this from Whole Foods. I have rosemary sitting there, like dried rosemary, but you use thyme, and I picked it up later on. Some fresh garlic, some salt, and some extra virgin olive oil, also some apple cider vinegar. So here I already mixed together the pumpkin puree and the tofu. Then I added garlic, rosemary. This is apple cider vinegar. You add 2 tablespoons of that, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and some salt and pepper. So this is what the mixture should look like after everything's all blended together. Next, we're going to start our lasagna noodles. Take some hot water. You can add salt if you want to. Here, we're taking some extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to be making the bases of our marinara meat mixture. We're going to take some Beyond Meat Italian sausages, the hot ones, just because, you know, add a little spice. Also, some Simple Truth meatless meat crumbles. Here we have celery and onions. I honestly added a bunch of this stuff. Here is some baby bella mushrooms and some red bell peppers. Next, we're going to add our seasonings. That was some dried rosemary. Next, we'll add some sage and some thyme. So the thyme that I have is ground, which I think I bought on accident when I bought this, because they were just sitting right next to each other. Still same flavor outcome. It doesn't really matter too much, but don't be like me. And we're just going to continue adding the rest of our seasonings. I think I cut off the camera before I added the salt, but make sure you do that too. Don't add too much because the Beyond Meat sausages already have like a little bit of a flavor to them. So here I am showing you how to roll up the lasagnas, because you know this is a lasagna roll up. You're supposed to make it till almost done, like almost al dente, I guess that's what they say. You don't want it too done because it still has to bake, so you don't want to overcook it. I'm pretty sure I overcooked mine, but the result still was okay. Basically right here I'm just showing you how to apply the mixture. Y'all know me, everything I do seems to be extra, so there's stuff spilling out of the sides because I'm a little slow, but that's fine. It doesn't matter. There's going to be extra sauce stuff anyway, so I mean, just use it, doesn't matter. So here I am showing you how to roll it up. It's pretty simple. the sauce fell out at the end right here, but it's okay. It still had the flavor, I promise. So here I am showing you another one. I think I try to be a little bit more conservative with this one because I saw how the first one turned out. But then I ended up messing up again anyways, and I was just like, oh well, forget it. So I sped it up a little bit just so you can see the process a little bit faster, so you don't have to watch me painfully go through that again. So here, I put this in like a big turkey pan, I guess that's what they call it. We're taking some Pioneer Woman marinara sauce. You can use any marinara sauce that you want to, just as long as it's vegan friendly, because I know a lot of pasta sauces, like red ones, seem to have milk in them, which I never knew until recently. Then we're going to take our Beyond Meats Simple Truth mixture and put that at the bottom, and then we're going to mix everything together. So I only used 1 jar of marinara sauce, but I would highly recommend you using 2. This didn't turn out bad, but I just wish it had more of a tomatoey flavor with everything. So here I already showed you basically that I rolled up some more lasagnas or whatever. I don't know what to call them. Lasagna noodles, that's what we're gonna call them. A lot of mine were overcooked and they broke, so I had to like roll double, if that makes sense. We're using some Dia mozzarella cheese. Y'all know this is my favorite. I probably use this like every video. I'm so annoying. I didn't have a lot of that one, so I ended up using some more so that I could cover. So after you get that all covered and evenly spread, you're going to stick that in the oven until the cheese gets a little bit bubbly. It won't be completely done. And this is what it looks like in the end, guys. It was actually really, really good. Like I said in the beginning, pumpkin sounds sus, but this was actually kind of fire.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I'm sorry if some things look like cut off or like all over the place. Like halfway through the video I was like, do I feel like making this? And then I was just like, nah, whatever. So I kept making it. But let me know in the comments below if you guys try this at home, or if you would like me to try something that you've seen but you're not quite sure if you want to try it out at home yet. I will catch you guys on the next video, but until then,